Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Purecarrot Gold Soap. Purecarrot Gold Soap is a lightening soap that hydrates dry skin, leaving it soft and silky with a healthy, radiant glow. It aids in the treatment of pigmentation issues, age spots, dark eyes, discoloration, amongst others. Purecarrot Gold Soap is a perfect option for the lightening solution you desire. Purecarrot soap gives the skin perfect lightness, softness, unique and gently melting texture. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.